Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Kim. I show everyone how to properly trade binary options and also show you to the easiest and most profitable strategies for you. Before starting this video, I recommend you to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel where I post free signals with 90% accuracy. Link in the description, and we start our trading. Here we go, guys, let's start our trading session. Now I got $166 on my balance, and let's put down the maximum trade amount and make some good money today, guys. As always, we are gonna open position in 1 minute time frame. So let's get started, guys, and pick out our indicators for today. The first is gonna be MACD. Let's configure the right way. Fast period is gonna be 6, slow one is 12, and keep the signal period that is 9. We'd better change it to 5. I think it'd be better in the case. Let's also choose the zigzag. This indicators is gonna help us identify local highs and lows, just to make things a little easier for us, guys. So today I'm gonna use these indicators, and we are not gonna drag this out any longer. Let's find the first currency pairs for the most profitable trade entry. Well, analyze the market and see what's going on the charts. I think we should open a long position here. I will point out the workspace and explain the principle of trade entry. We see the positive dynamics on the MACD, the reversal here, and these little green diagrams updating. Updating of the local lows, and basically the price should move upwards. There are literally 20 seconds left before the closing, and I'm sure the breakout is gonna happen on the last second. And our position should be in profit, guys. As we can see, our first position has been closed with a profit, and there is no stopping here. Let's continue our trading session, change the currency pair, and find the best trade entry for us, guys. By the way, let's update the trade amount and let's analyze. Here we should open a long position. Let me explain the principle of trade entry. You can already see the positive dynamics on the MACD. The updating of the local lows has also happened, and theoretically, after this downward movement, the price should go to the upside, because basically we can see the flat movement dominates in this zone. And I think that after a little correction, the price should continue going up. Actually, the zigzag is really helpful. Here we can easily navigate the trends. That's why the explanation for trade entries are not complicated. Actually, we can simply focus on the positive dynamics on the MACD, and using these indicators in combination almost guarantee us a good result. And our second position is again profit, guys. We got $584 on the balance. Let's update the trade amount and change the currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. Well, let's take a look. We're going to find a good payout rate. So I think we should also open a long position here. Let me explain the principle of trade entry. We see green diagrams on the MACD, and also take a look at this crossing here. This is our bullish signal. Also the updating of the local low. at this point, which is really good because the movement to the upside has just started. Support zone played out here at this level, and after this huge dump, I think the price should go to the upside and our position should end up in profit, guys. That's why we open the long position here, and we already see a strong breakout. The green diagrams start to show up above the middle line, above zero, and our position is in the profit like 100%. Good job, guys. There are more than $1,000 on the balance, so let's put down $1,000 in the trade amount and continue our trading. Let's find the better currency pair. So we see that the updating of the local low is happening now on this currency pair. Let's wait for the closing of this candle and then make our decision. Let's change the currency pair and let's open a long position here. We got 3 or 4 long positions in a row. We see this positive dynamics here. The crossing of the zero line is happening. Here also the crossing of the moving average, the positive dynamics, the diagrams are in green. Updating of the local low did happen here. The price is very likely to go up. And after the strong correction, I am sure that low volatility movement with the upward dynamics should take place here. That's why we open the long position, and there are literally 15 seconds left before the climax. And I think there are no more explanation required. Let's just wait and watch the candle movement. There we go, guys. Another position has been closed in profit. Basically, you can see that the strategy works perfectly. It's not complicated at all. You don't even need technical analysis here. All you need to do is watch the price dynamics and the combination of these indicators with my settings performs quite well. So let's change the currency pair. Let's open a long position here. Updating of local low has happened here. You can see that also the crossing of the moving average and the positive dynamics on the MACD. We see a high volatility candle here. We can call it a small correction, after which the price should go to the upside and new local high point should be formed here. That's why we open the long position, guys. There are literally 25 seconds left before the closing. I'm absolutely fine with the price movement by now. We see a good trade entry level. The candle has good volatility, and basically this is a strong signal and confident trade entry. There are literally 5 seconds left before the closing. And our position has been closed in profit, guys. We got about $3,000 on my balance. I think we'll open a few more trades, analyze our currency pairs, and we'll see what's gonna happen. And we'll try to find a good payout rate again. So let's open 2 short positions here, guys. I will explain the principle of trade entry. Look at this, guys. We pay attention to the local lows again. Updating did happen, then the updating of the local highs also happened. A very decent pullback to the upside, while this downward movement. The price has low volatility, more flat-like, I think, guys. If we look at the MACD, we can notice red diagrams, and basically I think this is a peak level, updating of the local high, after which the price should move downwards. Like I said, guys, the price started going down. we have a nice trade entry level, and even the fact that the green candles show up can't ruin our position. We got 2 more short position in the profits, guys. I think you got this trading principle, and so let's probably finish our trading session. However, let's consolidate our gains, guys. Find one more currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. Let's open 4 long position here, guys. Following the uptrend, we count on this upward trend. The updating of the local high is about to happen after this pullback, and I think we've caught a nice trade entry level because the price is gonna go upper. Also, if we look at the MACD, we see the diagram sign green that indicates positive dynamics. We also see the crossing of the moving average here, after which the price is gonna go up. Also, the updating of the local low and all this almost guarantees that the price should go to the upside, and after this huge dump, also take focus on this dump, the price is gonna go upwards. And even if we take a look at the price behavior in the past, we also can point out the upward movements. That's why we opened our long position. And our position in profit, guys, we got $8,250 on our balance. By the way, we started from 150 bucks, I'm not mistaken. So, and I hope you understood how to trade my strategy, guys. And let's move on to the withdrawal. As usual, to my Bitcoin wallet. Let it be, I think, $8,000. Continue button. Our transaction is being processed. I will touch the screen where it's done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, and to go my closed Telegram channel. We will trade and earn together.